Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Michigan and love bird songs, wild birds, and would like to have a field guide about birds in America? If you're looking for a field guide about the birds in Michigan, then the Birds Michigan Field Guide 2nd Edition will be the perfect answer for you. This is a great companion if you have the Birds of Michigan audio CD. Now you can learn how to identify birds by using Stan Tequila's field guide that offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more, so that you can easily identify birds in Michigan. This item offers an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or even classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. This item is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or the library. This field guide is a real pleasure to read. It is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Michigan. Grab the Birds Michigan Field Guide 2nd Edition today at a very affordable price. Teach your kids about nature and birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.